I learned that you actually come to this social media space every day and watch videos, and you even make comment on people's video. You laugh hilariously and do every other thing you want to do online, but you never earn any money. And you have been losing a lot of data, even borrowing money to buy data every time, but you don't make your money back. Now listen to me, if you have been doing that, your sins are forgiven, but from today, don't do that again. I want to show you a secret website where you can actually watch videos and perform some small tasks online, and you are going to earn money from that. What? Is that possible? Yes. I'm telling you, it is possible with Freebyz. You can perform small tasks on Freebyz and you'll be able to earn money online. These are the different steps you are going to do. Number one is you are going to sign up on Freebyz. This is the sign up page. You will sign up on Freebyz. In just 2 minutes, enter all your information, including how you heard about Freebyz. Just tell them you heard about Freebyz online or through a referral or anything. Put in the information there and tell them how you get to know about Freebyz. The next step is that you are going to actually log in. When you have done that, log into your profile. When you log into your profile, you head over to the dashboard. When you head over to the dashboard, you are going to see a list of jobs. Now, the caveat is that you cannot do any of these tasks that are more than 10 naira, these ones that are more than 10 naira, except you actually have a verified account. And it is this simple to have a verified account. What you just need to do is to copy this your own personal account number. It is called a virtual account number. Copy your virtual account number and then send 1050 naira to this virtual account number, and boom, your account will be verified. You are not going to have a verification on your page. This means that you can now do all naira jobs. Don't forget that Freebyz allow you to actually earn in naira and in dollar. Yes, you heard me right. Yes, you can do that. Now, you will be able to now do any of these jobs, and there are so many jobs every day. You will just complete the jobs in a simple way. I'm going to teach you how you can actually do a job. Now, for you to do a job, I'm going to show you an example of this task. If you take up this task now and then you follow the information, look at all the information that are available on this task. Look at them. Look at them. Look at the information. And then look here. You will see that here you are supposed to submit an evidence. Just ensure that you complete the task following the processes that are written there. And then you look at the evidence that is required. Make sure you submit the right evidence, because the person that advertised the job is going to be looking forward to you completing the task. It's like you are just writing an examination and you are required to actually submit evidence of the job you have just done. Simple. And what are you going to do? What is expected of you to do is that you are going to screenshot the evidence that you have done and then come to this place and upload the evidence. Once the evidence is uploaded, you are going to submit it. Once you submit the evidence of the job you have done, the next thing you are going to do is to expect this job to be rated, to be approved within 24 hours. Now, if this job is not approved by the person that posted it, Freebyz is going to approve it for you within 24 hours and you're going to get your money. How do you withdraw your money? If you have been able to accumulate the minimum 2,500 naira for Freebyz, you will be able to withdraw your money anytime, and payout is on Friday. They will pay you on Friday, and then you go to your account, go to your wallet. Once you click on your wallet, you're going to select withdraw there, enter in your bank information, and your money will be paid to you. A lot of people have actually earned online, and I'm going to show you several evidences of people that have actually earned money online on Freebyz. And it's that pretty easy. That's pretty easy. Now, the next thing again you can use Freebyz for is to use Freebyz to actually create your campaign. Now, if you are a creator like me and you want engagement on your post, it is not every time that you actually have the right engagement on your post. Let's say, for example, you have a business and you just created your profile on Google My Business and you want people to actually give you reviews. Some of the people that want to give you reviews are your customers, while some of them are not your customers. You want them to go to your website, you want them to go to your page, you want them to go to your catalog and then share their experience with you, and they also share it online. Then you can hire workers to do that. You can hire workers to be able to boost your engagement. You know how social media algorithm works. Once in the next 5 minutes after posting a video and it has a lot of engagement, likes, shares, comments, Facebook, TikTok, and every other platform, YouTube, they will recognize that campaign, that video, that content as an highly performing content, and the next thing is that they're going to push it up. Now, if you want to get this done every time whenever you are making a post, what you need to do is to actually get engagement on your post. If you don't have a channel where people can view it, you don't have the traffic where people can view it, you don't have a Telegram channel, you don't have a Facebook page where people can view it, then you can count on Freebyz to be able to get you the engagement. And what are you supposed to do? You are going to go over, log into your page, and then go over to this create campaign here. Once you click on create campaign, it's going to bring out this page for you. Once you bring out this page for you, the next thing that is going to happen is that you're going to select the correct profile. So select the correct example, the correct type of campaign. If it's a Facebook job, select the Facebook job, then select the subcategory. If it is a TikTok job, select the TikTok job and select the right category. You're going to see the amount of money you're going to put there. Then provide the information of what you want the workers to do step by step. If you want them to send a screenshot, then you tick the button below and say, I want them to be able to send a screenshot. If you want your own campaign to stick to the top page of Freebyz, then you select it and then you pay this amount of money. The next thing you are going to do again is to just submit. Once you submit, the team at Freebyz will review it, and then the next thing is that your campaign will be live and people will start engaging your campaign. I hope you've learned something great today. Now, if you love this video, please make sure you share this video with your friends. Share this video with your friends, share it with your friends, like and comment on this video. And I'm going to see you next time. Thank you for watching my video. Please drop your comment about this video in the comment section, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are watching on YouTube. Turn on the notification because I publish new videos regularly. You will be able to see my content coming up every day on this channel. Thank you so much. If you're watching on TikTok or other channels, please make sure you follow me, and I'm going to see you next time.